XOR to XNOR conversion. This is your XOR and I need to convert it to XNOR. Okay, XNOR. So again do the same thing. See, this is your A XOR. Let me change the color, just a second. Yeah, this is your A XOR B. This is my A XOR B. I need to convert it to XNOR. Okay, so let's suppose I need to convert it to A XNOR B the whole bar. How I am supposed to do this? So for this I need to take one negation, that is A XOR B the whole bar. Okay, so this is the first step, and the moment I'm taking this negation, I need to change the symbol, that is A XOR B A XNOR B the whole bar. So as you can see from here, we had easily jumped over here just within 1 or 2 seconds. So this is the most important trick, okay, that I had found. You will hardly see someone explaining this particular trick. Okay, please try to remember it. Okay, please try to deduce certain things, especially when you are dealing with XOR and XNOR. Okay, so this is only valid for XOR and XNOR. Remember this particular thing, this is only valid for XOR and XNOR. Okay, now let's suppose if you don't want to take negation to the entire expression, what you can do? So again I will take A XOR B. I need to convert A XOR B to XNOR, right? So what I will do, take one negation to any one variable. Now in this particular scenario I will take negation over B. So A XOR B bar, right? The moment I take this negation, I need to change this symbol, and that's why I will write it as A XOR B bar, and thus you can clearly see that we had successfully got this